Breaking COVID numbers are also creating record-breaking test numbers in the state.
Yeah, almost 60,000 people have been tested just since Friday. The challenge with that is waiting in the extremely long lines. ABC4's Jordan Burroughs is at the Cannon Health Building in Salt Lake City. And Jordan, you waited in a line. How long did it take?
Yeah, Emily and Glenn, we've seen cars come and go here at the Cannon Health Building in Salt Lake City. It took us about an hour and a half with about 50 cars in line. But we do know at this testing site there have been staffing shortages. And those shortages, along with the lack of COVID-19 testing throughout the state, have been painstaking for those people getting tested for COVID-19. For the last few weeks.
Been about 25 minutes.
About an hour.
Probably like 45 minutes.
About 45, 50 minutes, yeah.
Utahns have had to practice patience.
And it's worth it to wait. These poor workers are, overworked probably and feeling stressed, and people might not be very nice. So chill out. They're doing the best they can, and
just be patient.
Be patient.
Waiting hours in line, sometimes up to 3 or 4 to get their COVID-19 test. This as cases have skyrocketed throughout the state because of the extremely contagious Omicron variant. Some testing sites are still first come, first serve, like the Maverick Center. However, this is a 30-minute time lapse of the parking lot. Not a whole lot of movement.
I get it. It's overwhelmed. A lot of people are getting it, but I'm okay with it. Wish it was smoother, but what can you do?
On the other hand, some have become appointment only, like here at the Cannon Health Building in Salt Lake City. But even then, the wait took 1.5 hours because the testing site is understaffed.
I think with the onset of more people wanting to be tested, they just can't keep up with it.
According to the data from the Utah Department of Health, Test Utah tested almost 100,000 Utahns last week and continues to test more than 15,000 a day. The process used to be efficient, but because of staffing shortages, a tremendous rise in cases, and a need to be tested, things have dramatically slowed down. We spoke to several people today, and some of those people even told us yesterday here at the Cannon Health Building they were turned away because they ran out of COVID-19 testing kits. Looking at the data, we know the 7-day average is around 7,700 people are testing positive. That 7-day average. That's about 1 in 5 people in Utah that get tested at this moment are testing positive for COVID-19. So remember, if you are coming to a test site like this, make sure you're carving out enough time in your day. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Jordan Burroughs, ABC4 News.